Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to use something new here, and it's the percentile function. All we're going to do, we have salary, we have gender, and then we have name. We're going to search, we're going to quasi-look up salaries based on male and female. We have a percentile number, and then male. How does this thing look? Percentile, which returns the kth percentile based on our predetermined number. This is a table because it says table 12, table design up here. Also says table here. The table name is table 12. Gender, it's right here, male, female. Table 12, this big old list. Gender right here equals G4, male. Table 12, salary, says F5, 90 percentile. If table 12, gender equals H4, female, salary, F5, and so on and so forth. We have percentile is what we're shooting for. What's the array? It's this long drawn out number, and our K factor is male or female. Here it's female. We're going to go F9. Our requirement is we need to find female. Gender, remember gender, female. 71180, female. 5537, female. You see any male in here? No. Excel's doing its job. See this? It's all looking good. The beauty of percentile, it's going to do its thing based on this schedule. It looks like we have some high-tiered male salaries. The women, you can make whatever determination you want. Hit F9, who knows? Look at that. They're getting closer. 70. Women are ahead now. Look at this. Smoke in here. Hit F9. The female are still ahead in this race. And now men. So over here in the narrative, you know the drill. If you need it, read it. In terms of the anatomy, you know the if. It's either condition is true or it's false. In the K percentile, we have an array and we have this K factor. And of course, we have the formula. Aside from the formula here, aside from the formula here and here. Okay. I try to get the point across that there are plenty of resources in terms of identifying the formula. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.